Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this beast out. This is the ultimate camping machine, ultimate towing machine, ultimate daily driver, whatever you want to call it. This, my friends, is a 2011 Ram 3500 Mega Cab Laramie 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Awesome, awesome truck. And why is that? I mean, you have it. 3500 series Ram Cummins turbo diesel with a ARE camper shell with the slidable locking windows. Same with the back. This truck has been super well maintained. I'm going to show you the underside in just a second, and something that the previous owner did, which is awesome, an awesome idea. I don't know why they probably make these things, but actually, you know what the hell, I'm going to show you right now. They probably make frame plugs, but this owner was very meticulous. Besides like surface rust and everything, which is common, you can still see the factory paint in some spots on the here, but he taped up all the factory holes in the body, because what happens when water and salt and sand and rust and everything, or stuff starts getting in there, it rusts out. But that's why this truck's been so well preserved. And on the other side, the same thing. Sorry, I can't see that far, but anywho, it's just a really well maintained truck. No leaks on the oil pan or the transmission pan. Like I said, everything's in really good shape. Awesome, great working order. Factory step rails right there, factory cab lights, remote start right here. So I'll show you the cab lights. Or they don't, you gotta start the truck up. Anywho, we'll move on and I'll show you the front differential while we're at it. But that's what I wanted to show you. I want to show you how good and well taken care of the truck is. What it is, it's not modified in any way besides a set of tires. These are a NITTO 285/70 17-inch NITTO Terra Grappler all-terrain tire. Full turn right and left, no rubbing or anything. Tires have about probably 45% tread, I would say. The mileage on this beast, 138,810 maintained miles. Backup camera, sunroof, rear entertainment. The seats are in great shape besides the little spot right here you can see. Hold on one second, buddy. The floor's absolutely beautiful, and it's a mega cab, so you can recline these seats or flip them all the way, hold on bud, or flip them all the way down to right here. That's the best part about the mega cab. That's what I love. Electric trailer brake right here. The mats are in phenomenal shape, and under here the factory sticker for the vehicle, like it's never even been used. You got your controls right there, backup camera. You want to hear it start, no problem at all. Let's hear it start. And I'll show you the fifth wheel, or gooseneck setup in the back. Key in the on position. Starts up fine every single time, no issues. You got the Ram Connect right there. Sliding rear window, sunroof, backup camera. Works great. Make sure my son's not behind me. Four-wheel drive works good. Dual climate control, heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, exhaust brake, tow haul, plug, you name it, this sucker has it. Everything, factory books and all that stuff, and inspection right there. Laramie badging right here. Alpine sound system right there. New inspection, everything runs and drives good. Beautiful wood grain throughout, like that, with chrome trim. Here's the VIN number right there. Boom. The cab corners are in great shape. As you can see, the body's in phenomenal shape. It's just a kick-ass truck, it really is. To open this now, you gotta unlock this first, unlock that, pull the window up, and it's got the third brake light up there, which is an awesome feature, because why? When you put the cap on, it blocks it. A lot of truck ones I've seen, they don't have it. What's up, buddy? It's a snake. Oh my God, it's a snake. That's my son right there. Say hi, bud. All right, so hold on, buddy. Multitasking like crazy today. Single daddy duties, trying to get everything rolling. So that's your fifth wheel. For the back right there, if you want to bolt it on right there, you get your additional stuff you need to put on, obviously. But spray and bed liner, everything's in good shape back here. Line-X. So felt up top, carpet, you want to call it. But it's really a super solid truck. The guy took took amazing care of this truck. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 540-898-3025. I'll show you the power plant. I forgot to show you that. Boom, most important part to some people, to me too. 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, all factory bone stock under here. Fluids are in great shape, as you can see. And it's like I said, I'm gonna emphasize it again. It's been very, very well maintained. And that's really all there is to it. So there you go. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but maybe not. Anywho, if you guys have any questions, visit the website. After that, if you have any questions, you can call. Website is www.superiorwholesale.org, or you can call 540-898-3025, and we can help you out. So we ship nationwide, all 50 states. You get my direct costs. We're affiliated with one of the biggest transportation companies on the in the United States, so we can get you our costs on shipping directly to your doorstep. You get my direct pricing. All right, over and out. See you guys later. Hope this video answers a lot of people's questions who've been asking about it. So see you later. Bye.